In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Word on laptop or PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is go over to our Microsoft Store, like so, and then just go ahead and click on it. Now, what we're going to do at the very top, go to Search, Apps, Games, and More. And then what we can do is I can just go ahead and type in Word, like so, and then one of the options you're going to see is Word App. Go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to say Word is a part of Microsoft 365 personnel. So if you have any of these, what I want to do is if I want to have Word, go ahead and click this install button right here. And then that's it. It's going to be installed on my PC. If I don't see it on my desktop straight away, then I can just go to search in the bottom, type in Word, and then you're going to see it right here. I can then pin it to start, pin it to the taskbar, and then drag it to my desktop as well. And then yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.